An exhibition named Star Moon Road 2023 Pakistan-China Contemporary Art Exchange Exhibition opened on Monday in Islamabad to celebrate the 10th anniversary of the Belt and Road Initiative and China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. More than 100 innovative artworks from renowned Chinese and Pakistani artists are being showcased at the exhibition. On the occasion, Jamal Shah, former Director General of Pakistan National Council of the Arts, said that the two countries are proud custodians of enviable cultures and their mutual relationship goes back hundreds of years.
And Silk Road is also a metaphor for us. It's like a silk bridge, an aesthetic bridge between China and Pakistan. And we have to complement the sentiment our Chinese friends extend to us. And the best way for us is to have cultural exchange with China in the fields of visual and performing arts and music and cinema.
以中国画和书法为主体嘛，因为这个主要还是中国的一个文化特色吧，但是呢也综合了其他的这个画种艺术形式更加丰富一些。
The gallery will be open to the public throughout this month, letting visitors have a broader perspective of Chinese art and culture.